In the vast, untouched wilderness of Australia's ancient lands, a tale unfolded, a tale as old as the land itself. This was the tale of the Dreamtime, the sacred stories of Australia's first people, the Aboriginal Australians. Long before the arrival of European settlers, the Aborigines inhabited the land, their lives deeply intertwined with the land and its spirits. For them, the Dreamtime was not merely a time of the past, but a continuous cycle, a way of life, a way of understanding the world. The Dreamtime was a world where the spirits of ancestors roamed freely, shaping the land and its creatures. It was a world where the stars in the sky were the footprints of these ancestors, where the rivers and mountains were the bones of the ancestors, and where every rock, every tree, every creature was imbued with a spirit. In the heart of the Australian outback, a crisis emerged. A drought had ravaged the land, the rivers had dried up, and the once lush forests had turned into barren wasteland. The Aboriginal people, their lives dependent on the land, were suffering. The elders, the wise keepers of the Dreamtime, knew they had to act. They gathered the people and began a sacred ceremony, a ritual to appease the spirits of the land. They danced, they sang, they prayed, invoking the spirits to bring rain. For days, the elders danced and prayed, their voices echoing across the barren landscape. And then, a miracle happened. The skies turned gray, and rain began to fall. The people cheered, their spirits lifted, their hope rekindled. The rain brought life back to the land. The rivers flowed once more, the forests began to grow, and the people were able to hunt and gather once again. The Dreamtime had shown them its power, its unity with the land and its people. The Dreamtime, the sacred stories of Australia's first people, continued to guide and protect the Aboriginal Australians. They lived in harmony with the land, their lives a testament to the enduring bond between the people and the land. The Dreamtime, a continuous cycle, a way of life, a way of understanding the world, remained a profound part of the Aboriginal culture, a testament to their resilience and their connection to the land. The Dreamtime, a tale as old as the land itself, continues to echo across the vast, untouched wilderness of Australia.